Welcome back to the channel. I had a couple of requests on how I make my paper bag folios. There's a lot of different ways to make them, and so these are the ones. This is how I make mine. I made a couple the other time a little bit different, but I'm going to show you how to make one a really nice, easy way. What I'm making them for is that I'm making Christmas gifts for friends. I don't want to spend a lot of money on them. So I found this beautiful paper at Joann's. And so I'm making a gift set. So I'm making everybody a magnet. I'm giving them a little calendar book. I'm giving them a small book of paper where they can keep notes. There, they can hang a pin off this thing here, a pencil, and some little note cards. And these are the little note cards. One's important. Remember a girl here and a girl there, one of the dolls from Capital Chic Design. And a notepad. The notepads are from the Dollar Tree. The paper's from Joann's. And then I just tied a ribbon around it, as you can see in a bow. Kind of sealed that up. And then I took a composition pad and I covered it. I took a composition pad and I covered it in the same paper so they can have it. And it's Living My Best Life. I put a girl on the first page. I think I'm gonna cover this too. Tell me what you think. Would you cover this too? Or would you say, oh yeah, there are the multiplication tables in there. I forgot what 5 times 5 or whatever. So I haven't decided if I wanted to cover it. I know I want to cover, if I cover anything, I'll cover this section with class schedules. But I think I'll maybe leave all of this. Tell me what you think. Would you cover it or would you leave it? And then the back also has some resources, CNN, Gallup, the Library of Congress, phone numbers and sites and stuff like that. So I haven't decided if I want to cover all that. So my goal here is to make the, and I like how the magnet came out. Dollar Tree magnets. Most of the stuff is Dollar Tree. So all that's Dollar Tree. So anyway, I get my bag. It's one of my lunch bags. And the goal is what I want to do first is sometimes I leave this section on and then sometimes I take it off. Today I want to take it off. I don't think I want to use it today. I think I wanted just a straight bag. So I'm going to put it here in my cutter. Put it in my cutter. And cut that section off. Make sure I got it up here so I can have it straight. I just want to cut all that. I want to cut the whole bulk thing off. Now you could save this for later and put it in something and make pockets. So I think I'm saving that. I save everything. I got to stop saving so much crap. And at the bottom here, where it has this section, I think I want to cut that off too. I think I want to get rid of that little section too because I want a nice clean bag. So now I'm left with a nice clean bag like this. So what I want to do now is on the bag, I want to push its sides out. I'm going to push its sides out. And when I push the sides out, it gives me a bigger surface. So I just want to smooth out as much of this as I can. Sorry for the scraping. This is my Cricut scraper. Just want to smooth it out a bit. So now you're there. To make the bag, to make the clutch, you just fold this section up. Fold the section up here. I like it about right there. Fold the section up and fold the section down. And you have your paper bag clutch. So you decorate it with any kind of paper you want. Fabric, paper, whatever you want to put on it, you can decorate it that way. So what I did was, I'm hoping this piece of paper I cut works. So I have this other piece of this paper. If you go into Joann's, This paper comes on a big roll. And I don't know, I have another sheet of it. I want to show it to you in case you go in there. It's, okay, look at this section. Look how I don't know if you can see how big this is. But this is a big piece of paper and it rolls out. And it's huge. Let's see, does it tell me what size it is? Nope, doesn't say what size. Oh, it's 21 inches by 31 inches. And it's made in India. It's artisan. It's called Antidote Artisan Paper. It is lovely paper. Has a really good feel to it. And it's about $5. But I got it for half off because I had a 50% off coupon. So I did that. So I have this here. And I want to glue it down. I think I'm going to use this for my flap over. I think I'm going to use that for the flap over. So let me put some glue on here. I'm going to use Fabri-Tac today. I'm going to use Fabri-Tac. So I'm going to take it and put my glue on it. Glue it down. Now Fabri-Tac, that's the only thing about it. It's not going to give me any play, so I got to be quick about it. Who knows why I picked up Fabri-Tac to do this. Because Fabri-Tac is not going to give me any play when I'm ready to move it down. So remember that when you're using your glue, tape, or whatever you use. If you use Fabri-Tac, you're not going to get much playroom. So I sealed that part down. So I got to be careful. See if I'm in. Am I in camera, my friends? Am I in camera? I think I am. So I'm just going to lay that down here. Try to move it over there. Get it in there centered. Press it down. Press it down. Press it down. Did I get it on here? Ah, this part. Ah, see? Look it up. See that? You've watched me craft before. I'm sure you have. When you watch me craft, I'm always doing something where I go, lift it up. Because I always do that. I don't know why. But I always do that where I'm like, put it down. Come on, Jay, take your time, put it down. And when I'm off camera, I can get everything in the spot where I want it perfectly. Or put me on camera and watch me mess the whole thing up. Just watch me mess the whole thing up. Just put me on camera. I'll mess it up for you. I'll just mess it all up and it won't be nice or anything like that. Oh, okay. So now that I have it down here, I want to seal up this top part too because I'm not going to use it. Some people use this and open it and have a separate paste for it. A separate little pocket. They use that for an additional pocket. But I'm not going to do that. So then what you do, if you're using it the way I'm using it, because I want a big clutch, you fold it in half. You fold it. And what I want to do is, I want to have this part come down. I want to have it come down and do that. And there's my paper bag clutch. What I'm going to do is I'll cut off these edges here and finally get it done. Then I'll get some ribbon and tie it. And there's my paper bag clutch. This side, this you won't see because Fabri-Tac again. Gluing the sides down. Now if you want, and you're that person, you could cover this with a little, you could cover it with some paper here, but I don't know why you would want to, because when you close it here, when you close it, you're not going to see that. You're not going to see it at all. And because I left a little bit on the edges, I just have to go through and trim that out. But I like the look of it. I like the look of it. And so inside of here, I'm going to put a nail file, a nail thing. I want to put something like this. I want to put the feet thing. I have a feet thing and a nail thing that I want to put in here for her inside this. So I'm hoping I can get it in here without taking it apart. Let's see, does it fit? It fits. It fits. It fits. Maybe. Maybe. I might have to work with that. I should have put a gusset in it. But I'll figure out how to get that in there. If not, I'll find her another set that's a little bit flatter. That will fit in there. But anyway, so there is your paper bag. Your paper bag clutch. Your simple paper bag clutch that you can use. I want to round these corners right here. Simple paper bag clutch. So there it is. So you don't see when the sides are dry. It's going to take it a few seconds. When the sides are dry, so you don't see the bag at all. When you reach inside, you'll see the top of the bag. Now what I could do is go through here where you open it up and you see the top of the bag. I can put a piece of this paper down in there. I can put a piece of this paper down in there, and I might do that. Where's my scissors? I might put a piece of paper on the top of it. I might put a piece of paper on the top of it. So when you open it up, you don't see the paper bag at all. So when you open it to put your stuff down in it, you won't see the paper bag. I think I made it too long. Let me take off a snip. A snip. Slide this in like that. Too much. How come I keep snipping it wrong? I should measure. I should measure. You really should measure, Jay. Measure yours, people, when you're making yours. Measure it, please. So you won't have to be like me and be going, oh, I need to take another snip off. Sooner or later, I'll take a snip off too much, and then I'll go, oh, it's too short. But there you go. If you put that in like that. Wedge it down, then glue it down. So when you open it up, you won't see this. You'll only see the top of the paper there. That's all you'll see. Oh, I don't want to keep pulling it up because it's not dry yet. But anyway, that's your paper bag clutch. And that's how it looks. And that's how the set will look. So what I'll probably do is, I'll probably get a ribbon. Oh, this has this. Oh, I can't take it off because this has this on the side that holds the ribbon on. But I'll probably get another ribbon and tie it, and then I'll have my whole set ready to box and give to my friend. So it'll be all ready. That's my simple paper bag clutch. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the whole set of it. I know I did one on a project share, but someone asked me to show them how I made the paper bag clutch, and that's how it's made. So thank you for watching me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.